Yes, I am.
Hello. I'll be out shortly. Bye-bye.
This is
Sorry about
a
that.
horrible photo, but we'll come back to
Yeah, I know. I was trying to...
I nearly almost missed that.
Oh. You got it, though?
Yes, I did.
Good. I'm trying to get one of their attention. They could take my phone out.
This is the carriages where they pulled in with the big boy steam locomotive. As you can see right here. You can see all the train employees out there. This is here at the Amtrak Station in downtown Houston, Texas. Excuse me for the pounding on the glass. Alright, let's watch it leave, and with that being said, there you have it. It's raining out there, as you can see. Here, you can see a lightning and a thunderstorm.
I just saw lightning split.
Yeah, I saw it too, off camera.
I think they've been here.
I'm gonna watch it leave.
If they let us in, do you just want to look real quick at the t-shirts?
Yeah.
Want to be in the news?
You can see it is raining like crazy out there.
That's not my thing.
Look how slowly it's moving. From a further illusion, it seems to be traveling pretty slow. Look, you can see the locomotive right there.
Yeah.
I believe that right there is either a C44ACM or an AC44CW or ET44DC.
Customers and passengers may be subject to penalties under federal law to be reported, removed from the train, and banned from future travel in the event of non-compliance. Do not travel when you are experiencing COVID-19 symptoms or when you meet health criteria for review. On behalf of reschedule or cancel for more information, visit www.com/electronics. Passengers, please make sure that you have the COVID-19 check. This is required to be for the assignment to travel. Someone will put on signs located next to strategic travel or some customer satisfaction for assistance. Thank you.
Alright, once it disappears, I will go ahead and turn my camera off. Alright, it's about to end any moment now. Dude, that lightning. It's raining very badly outside there today. Alright, I think it's disappearing. I can only just see a little bit of it. I think it's probably stopped. Yeah, it is stopped. So anyways, that'll be it.